The far boards by Nazarov and a whistle. Oh, Teemu Selanne and Doug Bodger. Bodger's got the gloves off already. Things should get interesting in a hurry.
Yeah, and this is where Van Massenhoven has to take charge. Todd Ewen's out on the ice. He wants a piece of somebody. He's already taken a few shots at Korea. Nazarov is on the ice. And Van Massenhoven better take control of this hockey game or it is going to get ugly.
Bobby Dallas toe-to-toe with Todd Ewen, takes Ewen down. The linesmen step in. Players are still paired off in the corner. Van Massenhoven seems to have some control over there. But right now, Ewen and Dallas are being separated.
Well, let's take a look at how all of this got started. You know, Paul Kariya, again, you see the Sharks are running around right now. Nobody's worried about playing defense. Kariya almost finds Teemu Selanne in the slot, and then Selanne and Bodger start exchanging blows. Now, just prior to that, Paul Kariya was cross-checked in the back twice by Todd Ewen. And Teemu Selanne and Doug Bodger exchanged pleasantries, rather, but the real battle was between Dallas and Big Todd Ewen. And we all know what Todd Ewen can do with the gloves off, and Dallas actually did a nice job there taking care of business.
So the linesman
Dallas stepped up here. Keep an eye right there. There's Dallas trying to get involved. He's going to get pulled out of the scrum by Big Todd Ewen. And you know, that's a scary enough proposition. But Dallas does a good job. He's not letting go of that right arm of Todd Ewen. And at the end of this, does a pretty good job at ducking, too. At the end of it, he wrestles Todd Ewen down to the ice and gets in a couple of little rabbit punches himself. So, you know, when